Welcome to the HGTV Smart Home 2023. So excited to show you the southwestern retreat I designed. So we're gonna start right here in this humongous kitchen. Now, I had some fun on this island detail. I wanted to add some texture here, so I added this fluting detail and I repeated it throughout the kitchen. Here in Santa Fe, the design is all about pattern and texture. So I could not wait to dig in and start experimenting with different types of tile. That is prevalent here in the kitchen. I use this gorgeous black and white tile to make a statement, but it doesn't overwhelm the space. To accentuate the tall ceilings, I took the tile all the way up the wall. It really elongates the space and adds a bit of drama. On the other side of this kitchen is an appliance garage. This clever feature hides away all the countertop appliances that you don't want seen. So everything is still accessible, but also clutter-free. Added some open shelving, some smart appliances throughout, and then this space opens up into this multifunctional hard-working room. In here, there's a mud room, a pantry, a laundry space, and even a crafting or a home office space. It is truly a one and done room. Back in the kitchen, you have a ton more countertop space, this gorgeous matte black fluted sink that sits directly under this window pass-through, which leads you to the outdoor kitchen. I designed and installed this seamless pass-through window. It connects the outdoor kitchen area to your indoor one, so entertaining outdoors is a snap. I'm really excited to give you guys a tour of these outdoor spaces, and we're gonna get started right here in the outdoor kitchen and dining area. Now, just behind me is our outdoor kitchen. Here we have a pizza oven, a vast amount of countertop space, and a built-in grill. On top of that sits large-scale art and tile that added a ton of pattern in this area. There is a terrazzo-style dining table with seating for 6 that opens up into this entertaining area. And when I'm telling you seating, we have gobs of it. And it's cool seating too. We have the tall chairs mixed with some shorter ones. All of them are stylish, and we can fit up to 10 people in this area alone. Now, all of this sits just under a beautifully stained beam ceiling with recessed lights and a ceiling fan for optimal temperature control. The rest of the outdoor spaces are on the other side of the house. I'll meet you over there. Now in here, this area also opens up into the dining room. It has a large dining area space, and I'm loving it because it's so open, and it also can double as a library or a place you choose to work during the day. Now, over here in the living room, you're gonna see this fluting detail that I have in the kitchen repeated, just painted in this rich green for the TV wall. And then one of the smart features in this room that you may not notice are that these are carpet tiles. I'm a spiller. You spill on these, peel one up, take it over to the sink, rinse it off, put it back like nothing ever happened. It's perfect for people like me. Now in this room, I was really strategic with the floor planning. I knew I wanted to use different types of seating to make this space look interesting. Here I have a sofa, I mixed it with a bench, 4 different types of chairs, and this ottoman. One of the other features in this room that I love is that there's a built-in bar. Now let's go check out the main bedroom. In here, the story is all about the bold geometry. As you can see, I went with these black and white floor-to-ceiling drapes. I also created this geometric pattern on the headboard wall, which surrounds this gorgeous gray wing-back modern-style bed. Underneath all of that, I brought in the southwestern with this geometric rug. Let's go check out the main bathroom. In the vanity area of the bathroom, I used 2 wall-mounted vanities. I used brass hardware in the plumbing, mirrors, and the lighting, and this gorgeous terrazzo-inspired tile. Now, if you need a wow factor, welcome to the chicest wet room I've ever designed. The soaking tub is over twice as deep as a typical tub, while the fully automated customizable shower system has all the bells and whistles you could want. This entire space is wrapped in this gorgeous black tile, which complements the brass plumbing fixtures perfectly. Overhead, 3 skylights flood the room with natural light, creating a soothing spa-like feeling. Now this is a bathroom. Let's go check out more of the house. This is the deck. This is one of the more private outdoor spaces to where you can take in these lovely views and this gorgeous Santa Fe weather. One of my favorite features in the house is actually out here, which is the spa. It can be heated or cooled, so you can enjoy this feature all year round. Another space that is so sick in this house is the rooftop deck. Follow me. Check out these views. The architectural style of this house allows us to embrace in this space and add a rooftop deck. And I am telling you, it was well worth it. We have a place up here where we can lounge. There's another area to sunbathe. We even have a space to dine carved out. And there's a place to serve and prepare your food. So that's it. Those are all your outdoor spaces, all of them designed with Santa Fe's natural beauty, views, and cultural lifestyle in mind. On the other side of the living spaces are the guest rooms. By using this white stone laid in an organic way, it's instantly reminiscent of Santa Fe and its mountainous regions. And the dark walls perfectly complement the bright stone to highlight the tile. And a bold blue guest bedroom. And this is the bunk room. In here, I've added 2 built-in bunk beds, both equipped with their very own niches with charging stations, so you can plug up your electronic devices. Over here, there's this cute little workstation offering up even more views of Santa Fe. So that's it. That's the entire house. This stylish home offers up modern conveniences so you can enjoy Southwest living.